sobrang importante nung panalo na to sa amin talaga. Kasi yun nga, kung natalo kami yun, mas lulubog kami, mas mahihirapan kami. So yun, we're lucky and we're grateful na nanalo kami yun and we have Benny. That's it.
Nabanggit mo na si Benny, kamusta ulit yung dynamic with him dito again?
His first game, pero kita naman natin talaga binigay niya talaga yung best niya to get the win. So, ayun, we're happy.
Hindi kasi yung last basketball kanina, even yung scoreline. Officially, 5,000 points na.
Yun nga eh. Pangilang taong ko ba ngayon? 7 years. I'm honored and grateful na nakarating ako dun sa and we know naman na since rookie year ko I'm a scorer, so I'm happy na umabot ako ng 5K.
Was it something na aware ka entering this game? And medyo may gigil ba kasi medyo nag-struggle ka from the beat?
Actually, struggle talaga today. Parang medyo may gigil kasi yun na, kailangan namin manalo. But yeah, hindi naman ako na pressure dun sa 5K. Talagang just play our game and
So, kahit si Benny nandito na past year, grabe kayo talaga makahanap na people na
I think yun yung nawawalang puzzle dun sa team namin eh. Every import conference talaga nahihirapan kami maghanap ng nag-beat talaga sa San Miguel. So ayun, I think Benny is the answer sa struggle ng team namin.